We host 4 million of them even today. Every day, 25,000 cross over and go back. Divided families, divided villages, a bond and an affection that is unknown and unheard of anywhere else in the world. That's the real Afghan, that's the real Afghanistan. Those are the conversations. If you can get 10 people on a CNN screen, Becky, that's not reality. You need to dig deeper in this. Afghanistan and Pakistan go back centuries. There is no way our societies can't connect and be together. That's why our border was so porous all these years. There was no way to stop anybody. Everybody wants to move around. So I think this is really made up, out of proportion. Pakistan will work for stability of Afghanistan. Afghans know that. We have no other interest. And our goal to encourage the world to engage is also for the sake of the average Afghan and for Pakistan's own security, which is my responsibility. And I will do that in a very unapologetic way, working with Afghanistan and the international community, including the US. And that's why we've had very good meetings with the CIA director who is present here.